Yeah, real quick speed up video of what I'm working on. I have a 1/6 scale Stewart, and it has been exposed to dust. It's been sitting for years, and I'm trying to not grow potatoes on it. And you can see how bad the dust is here, okay? If I just make a clean spot, you may or may not be able to see that line, but it's horrible. So what do I do to clean these up? I use a little mini shop vacuum and brush attachment, and I start vacuuming. And then in locations that this won't reach, I'll come with a brush and start brushing in that location to help get some of the dirt out. So let me show you what's going on here. Alright, well, we pretty much got her vacuumed. I did flip it upside down so I could get the inside of the road wheels, inside part of the track. And now that most of the dust is off, I will come back with some small rags, some small damp rags, paper towel, things like that. Hit all the main surfaces that I can reach, maybe Q-tip in some of the areas that I can't. You know, just come back, double back with a little bit of air, knock off loose stuff or whatever, and then yeah, then maybe, I don't know, I'm going to debate on whether or not I'm going to just maybe I'll try to paint the hatches to match this color, because the hatches, the mantlet, and up here parts of the back, they're an off color. So and never mind my green shorts. All right, so that's it, man. That's the 1/6 scale Stewart, and all I wanted to do today was to clean it up and get some of the dirt off of it. Here's the 1919 30 caliber mounts up here, and I do have a tank commander. I've got his cigar. Got a little stogie. Here, let's put a stogie in so you can see what that looks like. Hang on a minute. We'll get his goggles mounted. Probably one of those things all stretched out. All right, dude. Yeah, we're gonna have to glue a stogie in. All right. So, kind of looks like Telly Savalas. So, hey, don't be messing with my merchandise. All right, folks. That's it. Short video. Gonna clean it up, and then, like I said, I'm gonna touch up paint probably, and then we'll come back with panel liner, panel line everything, get some shadows going, and then, of course, you know, they have silver dry brushing on the road wheels, which is inaccurate. Silver on this part of the metal, and so, you know, it's best just to dry brush with a lighter tone of the green, and then you can put some rust effects and things in there. So I'm not gonna do a ton to this, but I'm gonna bring it to life a little bit so it looks good. It'll be a good 10-footer. All right, get out there and clean your 1/6 scale. See ya.